Are you suffering from gout with painful swollen joints and kidney stones due to increased uric acid? Then this video is for you. Watch till the end, like and subscribe and share the video. Welcome back to Doctuber everyone. Myself Dr. Shiv Shankar Pal. I will be discussing about uric acid today. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Uric acid is also known as monosodium urate. It's a byproduct of protein metabolism. When uric acid levels in our body gets higher, it gets deposited in joints as crystals. Now it causes the joints to become inflamed and there is cytokine response, which makes our joints swell, become painful, hot and tender. In adults, plasma uric acid level is 3.5 to 7.2 and in females it is 2.6 to 6.0 milligram per deciliter. Now there are various risk factors for gouts such as male gender, age, obesity, high protein diet, alcohol, kidney disease, genetics, less physical activity and cold climate. Coming to uric acid homeostasis, uric acid is the end product of urine metabolism. About 600 mg of uric acid is produced from the diet. About 300 to 600 mg is produced from within the body itself. During excretion, about 600 mg is excreted via urine and 200 mg via intestines. Now in this diagram we can see that dietary fructose is being converted into uric acid and triglycerides. So avoid diet with high content of fructose to decrease the uric acid production. Now let us know what causes decrease in uric acid excretion. Kidney damage, use of diuretics like thiazide and aspirin like drugs, acidosis like diabetic ketoacidosis and obesity are the leading causes of decreased uric acid excretion. Now let us know what are the drugs used in gout. Allopurinol and febuxostat inhibit xanthine oxidase, which converts hypoxanthine to uric acid. Other drugs like probenecid increases the renal excretion of uric acid. Rasburicase increases the formation of allantoin from uric acid, which is a water-soluble metabolite. For anti-inflammatory action, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs are used. Corticosteroids, colchicine and bromelain is also used. Now, potassium citrate solution is used for alkalizing the urine, which increases the excretion of uric acid. Now, to avoid gout, we should avoid high fructose containing diet. We should avoid table sugar, soft drinks, high fructose corn syrup containing foods like packaged foods, jam, jellies, sauces, and high fructose fruits, and also honey and wheat. To avoid gout, we should stop alcohol intake. It is rich in purines and decreases uric acid excretion. Now various food contains increased amount of purines. In non-veg items, one should avoid red meat, liver and fish eggs. We can include chicken, fish and prawn in moderate quantities. In vegetables, spinach, cauliflower, broccoli, mushroom, peas and beans contains increased uric acid. So we should limit the intake of such vegetables. In pulses and beans, soybean, moong dal, white beans, rajma and chickpeas contains increased amount of uric acid, so avoid it if possible. Coming to prevention, you can decrease your uric acid levels naturally. Take lime soda. You will need 1 lemon, half teaspoon of baking soda, a glass of water and a pinch of salt. It's a natural alkalizing drink. Take it twice daily. Enjoy. Coming to apple cider vinegar, it is also an alkalizing drink. It will reduce your obesity. Take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of water. Enjoy it twice daily. Now you can decrease your uric acid levels naturally by taking increased amount of quercetin, which is found in onions, garlics and cherries. It is a natural flavonoid which inhibits xanthine oxidase. And also you can take coffee 1 to 2 cups daily, which also decreases uric acid levels. Now to naturally decrease the process of inflammation, you can take turmeric or haldi, ginger, clove, ajwain, fish oil supplements which contains omega 3 and pineapple which contains bromelain to decrease the inflammation of gout. Alternate hot compress for 3 minutes and cold compress for 30 seconds on affected areas reduces pain and swelling of gout. Use magnesium chloride flakes or Epsom salt in hot water to relax and reduce swelling. Wearing socks will keep your foot warm and reduce gout formation. Also keep your foot elevated during sleep to reduce gout formation. Thank you for watching our videos. I hope this video will help you. For more amazing videos and contents, please subscribe our channel, like and share. Thank you for watching.